Yeah. Come on, fucker. Guess I'll just control this upside down too. Just gotta fuck with my head.
Here, let me get it.
I got it.
Oh god.
Nice, thank God.
Here,
Oh,
get it.
there it goes. Okay. There. Jazz. I should actually.
You should have put royalty free first.
Yeah.
R. O. T. Yeah, that's how you spell it.
Royalty. I know that it's supposed to be
Space bar. God, this would be so easy if we just didn't do this upside down.
Hey man, if everything were easy, then everyone would do it.
Like, search royalty-free jazz music.
I got it.
There's no space.
I don't need a space.
Where we're going, we don't need space.
I think that's the one thing you do need, actually.
Hey, just go down and pick one. What,
My
did
face
I
doesn't
stab
show on
you?
the thing. Good. Those are fun stuff. Yeah, it was good.
Oh, hi. I didn't see you there.
Are we recording?
Yeah.
This whole thing?
This whole
We're just gonna put up this.
Yeah.
Oh wow.
So
God
I'm coming to you because as of right now my funds are low. I've been putting all my money into very, very liquid assets.
Liquid like porridge.
Very liquid assets. I cannot access any of it, and I want to further my juggling career beyond knives. The kind of sharp things that stabby stab but also throw. And
My head is down here, by the way.
it is. Actually, it's over there because I cut it off.
Yeah, it's like 3 or 4 feet that way.
Very sharp, very sharp.
Yeah.
Anyway, so as a juggler, the biggest question that you get asked once you tell people that you're a juggler is, do you juggle chainsaws? And as of now, I'm sick of that question. And I'd very much like to move to the next level due to the fact that people are bored of knives. Science. So if you'd like to see someone juggle a chainsaw, do it. Just give me your money.
Give this guy your money. I'd do it, but I'm poor.
But he's
So-
poor and has all my money, so it'd be
Yeah.
kind of backwards for him to give me money. Anyway.
And I spent it all. So.
Oh yeah, it's gone.
Yeah.
So
You like my new ring? You probably can't see it from way over there.
it's a nice ring, Ryan. So if you'd like to see someone juggle a chainsaw and post videos on places like YouTube and BooTube, yeah, donate some money. Just give us some money.
Do it already. You've been watching the video this long, you might as well.
Let's see.